Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Sale order entry form being developed. We are in the process of this shipment data entry, and also at the same time we are focusing the editing. For example, if we give an existing number, we are focusing order number 37, for example. So it brings all the information which are already entered in the sale order, and on today we are going to bring this email address and the phone number, right, to fill in the proper text box, and let's see how we do this. So before we do this, we have to close it and we go to the sale order, right? In the sale order form, we see that we have these all information, and we do not have an email address. We do have the email address in the customer tab, right? Because all the information should be directed uh, to the customer address. So email addresses will be used. It was a blank, so what I did to quickly uh, get the email addresses, I use this formula. What did I do? Means I just use this the first name of it, and then put in concatenated it with that at, and then concatenated with this, for example, this state, because that will never be blank. Okay, and then that would be followed by 1.123 dot com. So this is just to see how we can have something looking like email address. Okay, so in the real life scenario, you will put a valid email address in here. Okay, so email addresses are entered in the column E of the customer. So it is which position. If it is looked up with the customer ID, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position is the email address, and 7th position and 10, 7 and 10 position are the phone numbers, right? 7th position, this is 5th position. This is 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? 7 and 10. So 7 is the business phone number, and 8 is the fax number. Okay, fair enough. So with this preparation, we are now going to the developer tab. We go to the form, excuse me, the sale order form. In the sale order form, we directly hit, we should not go directly to here. We should go there just to find out what is the name of it. This is text box email. Okay, TBX email is the name. And what is the name of the phone? This is ship phone. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so what we do, we go to the change event of this box, because this is where the information will be brought into this form, right? Okay, ship phone is equal to, well, so what we do here, we first of all, we will do the lookup to bring the the information. First of all is the email, TBX email. Huh? Text box email dot text equal to okay, right. So here we are supposed to put a formula which is lookup, which is going to look up the customer. Yeah, the customer. So we have already done it somewhere, if you can remember, but not in this event. That is done at the change event of the customer. Right. Okay, so let's go to find out the customer tab, and this is the customer. When it is changed, right? No, it was done on the change event of some other control, that is sales person, right? Yeah, this was the point, and where it is searching and getting the customer information, right? That is the course of customer pro. Okay, fair enough. And here it is searching customer, yeah, right? And it found the customer. It generates the customer number, etc. Okay, that's right. So this is the VLOOKUP of this. It is looking up the view, and this is a grid view. That is a grid view. Okay. What we do is we get back to here, and we can choose any lookup formula like this. Okay, this is a lookup formula. We press Control C here, and here we are going to put this formula temporarily, and then customer, not here, text here, here. Okay, yeah. So instead of M, we are going to customer, right? So to find out whether this is the right name of the sheet names are written in here, and this is the right person, right name, right? Not customers, it is customer, right? And the customer, what we are going to look up? We are going to look up the customer which you have already had in the cust, right? That's the cust. Okay. Right. Cust.text. Fair enough? Okay. The cust.text is going to be the lookup key, and where we are going to look up. So we go to here, and we are going to look up from B to say J, right? B to J, right? And then if you count from B here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is going to be the offset. So here we are going to write B to J. B to J, and 4 is going to be the lookup. So this is going to bring the email address of the customer into the right text box, that is email data. Okay. And let's copy the same thing in here, and we write here. Okay, so the same thing is being done here. Okay, and it is going to get what? It is the phone number. The phone number is where? The phone number is, if you set here, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 and 9. Okay, order of 11. So first of all, we take the 6, and we concatenate it as a phone, right? We put phone number, yeah, and we put an and sign here. Okay, right. 6 and the 9 is we will again use a concatenation here. We will put this, and here we will write fax. And we do this thing. And this is going to be 9. That's it. 6 and 9, right? So this is how you're going to get the phone number information of the customer displayed in here. And the rest of the things we are going to populate as there. So whatever you have done here, you have to initialize it in case it is a new, it is not an edit and you are adding a new customer. So you can make it like this. Okay, so customer representative is space, the sale tax, right? And then it is also stopping it. Okay, that's fine. We will do it in a short while. Let's save it and we get back to the menu and we see how it comes, right? So this is the chain unit that we are saying we are entering an existing order number, and it has brought the number because the first name and the state number with 123.com. That's right. So this is the email address. Whatever is entered, it is going to be picked up here. And also the phone numbers which are listed and the fax number. These are also mentioned in the right place, right? So this is successful. Let's try some other numbers. 36, order number 36. Yeah, it takes accordingly change. It takes it. Yeah. Almost 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. The city is CA, ca123.com. That's right. Okay. Now the problem will be when you enter a new order number, for example. So it should clear all these fields, which the data which are filled up. So if the user says 83 here, what happens? Terminates everything, right? Before terminating, it's always advised that these all should also become blank. It has only blanked only this one, so it should end the custom work. Okay, so let's make all two. Anyway, it is the thing. It is terminating the form, so there is no chance that you get enter. So, whenever you need to enter a new record, you will have to click this, and it will eventually take you 83, and it will allow you choose the salesperson, you choose the customer, for example, for whom you are, and you write down the information, right? So these two things should also appear directly. Since you have chosen a customer name, so we will do it in our next session. Okay, so far so good. I hope you enjoyed it. Join us in our next video in which we will further enhance this program. Thank you very much.